Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to change the summary calculation in pivot tables. Okay, first we will create a pivot table with some summarized value, and later we will try to change it to some other summarized value. Okay, so what the data what I have here is the top product for each month sales and the respective customer category, country, and the sales for each month from January to April. Okay, I have about 277 records, and now I am going to use this data as a source data for me to create a pivot table. Okay, so what I'm going to do, insert a pivot table. Before that, I am going to select the source data. Okay, once I select the source data, I'm going to insert the pivot table. Otherwise, you can also insert a pivot table, and there in the option you can select the pivot data, source data. Probably I'll show in that way. Insert pivot table, then there is a table or range. This is the source data. You need to select it. It already identified the source data and it already selected it. You could see. Okay, so this is our source data. If it is in some other place, then what you can do is you can just to go there, up. Okay, remove this. Select. Okay, control, and okay, you get all your source data. This is your selection of source data. Then you need to choose where do you want to put your pivot table, whether in the new worksheet or the existing worksheet. Okay, I want to put it in the new worksheet. Okay, so how can I do that? I just leave it as new worksheet, then okay. Once you go for a new worksheet, you have two things are popped out. One is the pivot table pan. Okay, this pan is helping you to have the number of fields to be selected. This one is the pivot table area. Okay, what do you want? This is the place where you want to see the your pivot table report. Okay, so what I am going to do is I just select the product. Okay, once I select the product to rows, the product is appearing. Okay, once you select the product, it is coming to rows, and you can see the row labels here and the product list is here. Okay, you may change the row labels to product. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the January's sum of sales. Okay, so sum of sales of Jan. Okay, this is the summarized data, and you can see the sum of January's here. Okay, now our objective is I selected this and I am preparing a pivot table, and it gives the sum of January sales. Very fine. Now my objective is change this summary calculation. Okay, I want to change it. Okay, I don't want the sum of Jan. Instead, I want the maximum of that month sales, or minimum of that month, or the average. Okay, something else. I don't want this sum. If that is the case, what I must do, how can I change the summary calculation? Okay, go there, value field settings. How can you do this? Just click. Okay, then value field settings. Here you can see choose summarize value field by choose the type of calculation that you want to use to summarize data from the selected field. Okay, the type of calculation what you have is now sum. Okay, you want to change it, you can change it to anything what it given here. Even the standard deviation, variance, everything is here. Okay, for the simplicity, I go for a maximum. Okay, maximum sales. Okay, then press OK. Now it gives only the maximum record sales done in January. Okay, instead of sum. Okay, this way you can change the summarized value of any pivot table. Okay, all you need to do is go here, the summation values are here. Okay, you just go there and click it, then it will come up with the value field settings. In the value field setting you can select maximum. Now it is minimum. Whichever calculation you want to do it, just do it and just click. Okay, the minimum in the sales is obviously 0 in every month, every product. Okay, so every product has at least one minimum 0 record. Okay, so this is the way you can change any summarized value to your desired value. Okay, I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, press the Alan Sam button on the video now to subscribe. Okay, and also give a like and leave your comments and suggestions. It will be very useful for me to add and improve my further videos. Okay, and also please put your comments. Okay, and your if you have any specific problem in Excel, you can leave it there. Either me or other subscribers can also answer your queries. Okay, the comments are public. Okay, and God bless you.